Now, if you want to check in online in Fly Dubai, well, there are a few things that you need to visit here in order for you to do so. Now, by the way, you can do this on your PC or in your phone or in your phone's browser. They also have like an app, if I'm not mistaken here. But how do you exactly do it the easiest way? Well, first things first, you want to open up any browser that you have. Currently, I'm on my PC. But yeah, in here, you want to go and just search for Fly Dubai, or you want to go and just directly go to their website. Now, inside their website, you want to go to the book and manage section here. This is where you should be able to see the online check-in option. Let's go and just click on it. Now, the thing with Fly Dubai, you can only check in 48 hours or 2 days or 75 minutes before departure. So if, like, for example, it's not yet 48 hours before your flight or your departure here, well, you won't be able to check in. So make sure you're within that time frame. So yeah, you need to provide the following details. That includes your last name, which in this case, the last name that is in your ticket here. So make sure that the last name you're using is going to be the one that's in your ticket, and also the booking reference here. And just click on check in. Now, from there on, the following pages, you just need to confirm a few things. You can also buy your preferred seat, add extra luggages, or even like upgrade your seat if you want to. So if you want to use like business. But yeah, so that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.